What is up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie Barbecue. What I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be making a keto-friendly lemon pepper chicken recipe. What's going to turn this recipe up a couple notches is we're going to be using a nice tricolor peppercorn blend to season our chicken, and we're going to be using fresh lemons, so this is going to take it up another notch. The ingredients for this are going to be pretty simple. All that I have is some chicken breasts that are seasoned with salt, pepper, that tricolor pepper blend with a little bit of garlic. We have some lemon zest, plus we're going to be using the juice from the 2 lemons I got the zest from, some garlic, some chopped up chives, and some heavy cream. We're going to be cooking our chicken in a little bit of olive oil. It's that simple. We're also going to be using a little bit of chicken stock to deglaze our pan. So really all that we need to do is get cooking this chicken, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is we're going to want to brown this chicken on both sides. As you could tell, my skillet is a little wobbly, so the oil's kind of settling to one side, but this is about a 25-year-old skillet, so give it a break. And I already have it seasoned with our salt, pepper, garlic. Now this chicken's been going for about 6 minutes on medium high. You can tell when it's ready to flip the chicken when it just releases from the pan easily. So we're gonna let this other side go for about another 5-6 minutes. Now that we have the other side browned, I'm gonna remove them and set them aside on a plate. Deglaze our pan with a little bit of chicken stock. Maybe a tad bit more. Now we're going to hit it with this lemon juice. And this recipe is so easy. Some of our heavy cream. And I'm eyeballing it, but the recipe will be in the description below. Some garlic. And I'm going to reduce this heat down to about a medium low. Hit it with a little bit of this tricolor peppercorn. We'll adjust with salt if needed. Our lemon zest. And our chives. I'm going to give this a good stir. Add our chicken back in. We're going to let this cook for about another 5 minutes, and I will be kind of turning it over every now and then just to make sure there's plenty of sauce on both sides. So this is cooked for about 7 minutes. The sauce is thickened up. I'm going to turn the heat off. The sauce should get a little bit thicker, so I'm going to let it sit for about another 5 minutes, and I'm going to plate it up with some cauliflower mash. So that is a wrap. Now the cauliflower mash that I'm eating this chicken with, I have a video on it. I'm going to leave a link to that video in the iCard above in the description below. This stuff is the bomb, let me tell you. But let me get into this chicken. Now when I'm telling you this is lemon pepper, I'm meaning this lemon pepper. A little bit more lemon than the pepper. This is the bomb right here. Very simple recipe. Listen, if you're looking to make something easy that's got all kinds of flavors, give this recipe a shot. You will not be disappointed. I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I do appreciate it. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.